Hi, in this video I'll show you how to use Pomodorium timer. Pomodorium is Pomodoro technique timer with RPG game in that. The main idea was from games, when you do something you get gold and then you use gold inside game for something, for some game activity. The same with Pomodoro, but you get gold for completing Pomodoro. So this is my main window of Pomodoro timer. And you can see it has 25, and I can collapse it to just a timer. And to get Pomodoro, I'll click go, and it's working, so I'm doing my thing, like my tasks. And after this completing, I will get gold, and gold is displaying here. So here is how much Pomodoro I've done 200 Pomodoros. This is average Pomodoro a day. I haven't been using it for a while, but this is a mine gold. And then health, which is all down below, is the RPG stats. So this is roleplay game stats. This is health of my character. This is XP I need to next level. This is my level 14 of 40, and this is CTS I3. So let's go, and I can show you mine screen. So mine activity is like I'm usually just doing my Pomodoro thing and getting gold. Then next screen I can use is my character screen. So my character screen contains all information about my RPG character. I can change image here. I can add buy items and add them to my character. This is what was equipped right now, what is equipped right now, and this is what I have in my inventory, and this is what I have in shop. It's shops that are like, you can see some of them not enough gold showing because I don't have enough gold to buy stuff. You can see HP is 0, so I can buy some potion. Let's buy it, and it will be added here. And I can use it to restore my HP. Use it. I can sell stuff if I don't want to because I have a better shoe, so I'll just sell this one, and so on. So if I buy stuff, I can use it. Just click use it. It will be added to my inventory. So this is inventory and character. I can change image on different one if I want to. I can change names. This is mostly for posting on scoreboard, so I can see like what is because on scoreboard there are a lot of people posting their Pomodoros, so I will be like I will give unique names, so I can find myself where it's on the scoreboard. So let's close it. Mine screen is map. So here is map screen. It's very simple. It's showing which city I'm right now. It's like game world, and which are monsters right now. And the harder is monsters, the biggest level of the monster is harder to fight it, but it's bigger XP I will get after defeating this monster. So if I click on Hunt Rat and I can attack, and it's immediately I killed it. And you can see it has been removed. So this is how I actually fight it. If I will go and fight like Ice Dragon, which is like super 27 level, and I will attack him, and I immediately get a lot of damage from it, and it has a lot of HP, so I will better retreat it and not attack him right now, or maybe work more on Pomodoro, get better gear for my character. After I kill all monsters in this city, I can move to another city. Just click and it will be saying you can move, and you just click to move and you will have new monsters. And in that city, so goal is travel from map to end. This is like nastiest guys here, nastiest monsters are here, and it's like travel through the map through, I think, Argo or Dizo. All the way here, monsters will be much more stronger, and you'll need bigger gear to fight them. So basically that's it. You will go from city to city, fight monsters, clean it. You will get XP for cleaning city and upgrade gears. And my character, right? I upgrade new gears, get level up, and goal is to clean the entire map. So this is how it works. Is also like for completing after Pomodoro is complete, it will turn into break, and then into next Pomodoro. The more Pomodoro I complete in chain, I get extra gold for that, and also I can submit my score or scoreboard or view scoreboard. Let's click on view scoreboard, and it will show me my score, like entire scoreboard. It's a little, it's like a lot of people in there, so it may be loading a little slower than usual. So yeah, basically that's it. You can also I can go and change monster. I can customize. I can change image for the monster. It's like there is no restriction for image. It should be just a square image. I can do anything I want, and I can change monster name and image, and it will update entire game. So if I want to make Star Wars edition, I can change entire monsters, classes, and like all if I want to change particular one. And yes, this is scoreboard. You can see like people completing almost 3,000 Pomodoros. So yeah, basically that's it. If you have any questions, please leave them in comments. Thank you.